Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Healthy Nature. And today's topic is antioxidants. Antioxidants. So, what is antioxidants or what are antioxidants? Actually, nowadays we are listening that these foods contains antioxidants, so it can repair your skin or it can repair your hair damage or it can prevent some diseases like that. So, let us know what are antioxidants. So, come to the point, antioxidants are nothing but the substances that can prevent or slow down the damage to cells that caused by the free radicals. So, now what are free radicals? Free radicals are nothing but unstable molecules that are produced by the body but as a reaction to environmental reactions or some other pressures or by the body. So, antioxidants reduce cellular damage by neutralizing the molecules called free radicals. Our body produces some antioxidants, those are known as endogenous antioxidants, and some antioxidants comes from outside, those are exogenous antioxidants. So let us know what is the role of antioxidants. Actually, free radicals. Free radicals are waste substances produced by cells as the body processes food and reacts to the environment or to some pressures. If the body cannot process and remove free radicals efficiently, that can result in oxidative stress. This can harm cells and the body function also. Free radicals production is increased by two factors, those are internal and external. Some internal factors are inflammation, mitochondrial activity and exercise. Like that, some external factors are radiation, pollution, UV exposure, cigarette smoking, industrial waste, ozone, etc. Oxidative stress occurs when there are too many free radicals in the body. This imbalance can occur due to increased production of free radicals or decreased antioxidant defenses. Free radicals plays an important role in normal psychological function of the body and contribute to a person's health. However, when the body produces an excess of free radicals, it can increase a person's diseases risk like heart diseases and cancer. So, the cells contain antioxidant enzymes that help to reduce the free radical levels. Some antioxidants are produced by the body naturally, although there are some antioxidants that the body cannot produce, which means a person must consume them through food or by taking dietary supplements. These include carotenoids, vitamin C and E, selenium, manganese, zinc, flavonoids, and omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acids. So, now let us know what are the sources and what are the antioxidants that we have to take from outside. Those are vitamin A. This is you can take from dairy, eggs, and liver, and vitamin C. You can take it from fruits, vegetables, oranges, berries, and even bell pepper. Vitamin E, you can take it from nuts, seeds, sunflower seeds, and green leafy vegetables. Beta carotene, you can take it from bright color fruits and vegetables. Lycopene, you can take it from pink and red fruits and even colorful vegetables. Lutein, this is comes from green leafy vegetables, corn, papaya, and orange. Selenium, you can get selenium from rice, corn, wheat, and whole grains, nuts, eggs, cheese, and legumes. So, try to include a fruit or vegetable in your every meal like lunch or breakfast, snack, and even dinner. Have your green tea. Include spices in your meals like turmeric, cumin, ginger, cinnamon, etc. and make your plate more and more colorful. Now coming to antioxidant supplements. So is it good to take antioxidant supplements? National Institute of Health NIH warns that high doses of antioxidant supplement can be harmful for your health, and even antioxidant supplements also interact with some medications. So it is important to speak with your health advisor before you are taking or consuming any antioxidant supplements.